Yo guys, finally we got a lot of coins. I can't imagine guys how I did that. As you can see, the coins is going and growing up in my account. I would not like to say something worse than that. That's really amazing guys, as you can see now. So follow the tutorial to show you how I got it and how I got a lot of coins, as you saw guys in this video. So guys, first of all you have to do, as you can see, here's the game here on my iPhone. Now all you have to do is open any browser. So I will open Safari, for example, and tape this website. This website is the best website that gives us these coins guys. As you can see, rightcaskets.com/news, like this guys. Copy the website from the video and then click go. After clicking go, you will reach the website like this guys. This website is really amazing guys. As you can see, here's down on GTA 5, guess coins, GTA San Andreas, Delta Executor, block blast glitch, a lot of amazing things that you can't imagine guys how I did it. So we are now teaching you guys how we got a lot of coins, or how to hack Kiss game. So as you can see, now we have to click on add now to get to the process guys. As you can see, you will see a loading right here, and we'll add now. Now the coins will be added automatically to your account that connected with your phone guys. So guys, make sure the account is open on your phone or on your iPhone or Android. It doesn't matter guys, this works on both devices. So after adding those coins, now you should be you should focus in these steps, because these steps, it's really important guys, because these steps which going to give us the last step that we have to complete it, and we will receive through these steps the coins guys, because the coins is almost done, but we need to complete a verification. As you can see, here is a loading that need to complete 2 offers, or just do 2 tasks, like very easy guys. So from this list I will choose randomly 2 offers, like 2 apps or 2 surveys, or it doesn't matter guys, phone numbers, surveys, it doesn't matter, it's really easy guys. For example, this IKEA offer, you can just type in it and then click on unlock now, and you will be redirected to the page where you have to complete that task. So now all you have to do here, for example in this offer, just to complete first name, last name, email, and click on continue, and then you have to you have only to verify your email when done. This is easy guys. Whoa, it's very easy and get a lot of coins. So after completing this step, click on back, and then you will back to the website again, and you will have to complete another task guys. For example, this one also, or maybe this one also. For example, this one is really cool, I really like it guys. Like for example, this one, you will get like panties like for free. As you can see, you will get unlimited coins and panties for free guys. As you can see, it's really free. You have only to kostenlos testen, das ist auf Deutsch, oder that's in German guys. So if you are in Germany, or if you are in another country, maybe you will see this offer guys. So I really like it guys. So here you can also choose the size. It's really cool guys. You can get the same thing, as you can see it here. Also it's really growing after the completing. Yeah, it's really amazing guys. That's, you cannot imagine it. So after completing that, and also there is a video showing in that page. There is a video showing how you can complete it if you don't know, also how to complete it. So thank you guys for watching. I really like this video, and I really like to help you all to get unlimited coins and a lot of things that you might get also besides the coins guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe our channel for more videos guys. See you in another video guys, and don't forget to put a comment in the comment section guys. I will be happy to see your comments and engaging with my video to get to a lot of people around the world to get those coins if they want them. So see you in another video, guys.